In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Claude AI account. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to the Claude website by typing claude.ai into the address bar. Once the site loads, you'll be taken to the main sign-up page where the account creation process is very straightforward. At this point, you'll usually see two main options for getting started. The first option is to enter your email address to create a new account manually. If you choose this method, simply type your email into the field provided and continue to the next part of the sign-up process. This is a good option if you prefer using a separate login specifically for this platform. The second option is to continue with your Google account. This can be faster and more convenient, especially if you want to skip the extra steps of confirming your email address and creating a separate password. If you select Google Sign-In, just choose the account you want to use and follow the on-screen prompts to approve access and continue. After that, the site may ask you to select a few options as part of setting up your account. These prompts can vary slightly, but in general, just read each screen carefully and choose the option that best matches your needs. Then continue through the account creation process by following the instructions shown on the page. If you're using email sign-up instead of Google, this is also the stage where you may be asked to verify your email or finish setting your login details. Take your time during this part and make sure the information you enter is correct. That helps avoid login issues later and makes the process smoother overall. Also, if a confirmation message doesn't appear right away, give the page a moment to load before clicking again, since some sign-up pages can take a few seconds to respond. Once you complete the setup steps, your Claude AI account will be ready to use. From there, you can start exploring the platform and using its features right away. And that's it. As you can see, creating a Claude AI account is quick and simple, whether you choose to sign up with your email address or continue with Google. If you follow the prompts on the screen carefully, you should be able to finish the process in just a few minutes.